Hello, it is my personal presentation. My name is Cindy Milena Abril. I am 22 years old. I am from Socha. I live in Tunja. My mother is called Maria. My father, I do not know him. My brothers are Jesse and Oscar. I am single. I like to eat lasagna. I like to ride bike. My last vacation in Manizales. On my last vacation trip to the city of open doors, I was in Manizales, Colombia, enjoying a pleasant climate, also visiting some sports centers that are there. Visit the beautiful Basilica Cathedral of Manizales. Its hike is impressive, a very quiet where peace is breathed. I enjoyed one of the best spas called Thermals Terra Viva. Its waters are the best anti-stress therapy. It is also a wonderful place surrounded by nature and tranquility. In the center of the city, there are spectacular places to visit. Its people are very friendly and nice. Recommendation: people should 1. Visit Manizales and get to know its cathedral for its magnificent architectural design. 2. Enjoying a delicious, relaxing spa at Thermals Terra Viva. 3. Walk part of the city in the telespheric. 4. Have a good lunch you want to enjoying in the paisa fondita you can find it. People should not 1. Wear clothes for cool weather because Manizales is warm and temperature. 2. Going for a walk at night is a bit insecure and dangerous. 3. Visit Los Nevados National Natural Park without accompanying experts on the subject. 4. Give personal information to strangers. It is Cathedral Basílica Nuestra Señora del Rosario. It is Parque Nacional Natural Los Nevados. It is sport centers. Thank you.